Step 12 is a quick self-care routine that actually helps to strengthen the 12 main meridians at one go. So our meridians run from our head to our toe, but the important sections are actually on our arms, from elbow below, and also from our knees below. So the 6 meridians on our hand and 6 meridians on our legs. There are 3 meridians on the inside and 3 meridians on the outside. So the 3 meridians inside are the lung meridian, pericardium, and the heart meridian. So flip it over, we have large intestine, triple wormer, and small intestines meridian. So we can actually do a quick self-care through just tapping. So use your hand, palm, and just do tapping like this. Do at least 20 times, inside and also outside. Okay, other than tapping, you can also do gua sha. So you can apply the massage oil, then you do gua sha on all the 3 meridians inside and the 3 meridians outside. There are 6 meridians on our leg. From the important parts will be from our knee downwards. So on the inside there are 3: spleen, liver, kidney. Then on the outside we have the stomach, gallbladder, and behind we have the bladder meridian. So a simple self-care for these 6 meridians will be just do simple tapping like this. Okay, not forgetting the back, bladder meridian. Okay, we can also apply massage oil. Then we do gua sha. So we can do on the outside, on the inside as well.